short video to show you how to extract the year group of children at school based on their date of birth. The first thing that I've done over here is just set up a mock-up. I've got the child's name, their date of birth, then we're going to have their age just here, so this can be worked out with the function date diff. So we just type equals date diff, open bracket, and we reference the cell with the date of birth in there, which is B2, then a comma, and we want to find out their current age every time we open up the spreadsheet. So we'll use the function today, open and close brackets, so that's the difference between their date of birth and today, and we want that in years, so we put a comma and then in speech marks just put a Y so we can have the number of years. Close that bracket, press enter, and there we go, age 7. We'll copy this one down just to show you it. Okay, now what we want from their date of birth is their year group. So over here I've put a list of dates, the start of the academic year date. So we've got the 1st of September 1999 for year 11 through to the 1st of September 2011, which is year reception. Okay, we're going to use a Vlookup that uses an approximate match. So this is to look up a range. So just type equals Vlookup, open bracket. The lookup value we want to check is the date of birth, so we click the date of birth, B2, comma, the table array is this set of data over here, H1 to I13. We need to absolute reference that, so make sure that you put your dollar signs in, put a comma, and the column index is column 2, comma, and then we want to make sure this is true for an approximate match, and then close the bracket, press enter, and we can see this person that was born the 23rd of the 5th 2009 is in year 3. Let's drag that down, and there we go, we've got the year groups. So whatever year you type in here for their date of birth, or whatever their date of birth is, it will give them their age here and their year group here. For further training and courses, please visit www.initlearning.net, or for one-day open courses in Milton Keynes, visit www.excelcoursesmk.co.uk.